To get to chart ID and bot token, you need to go into the Telegram and just type bot further. You will get like this. Okay, then just type hash start. If you type like this, no, this hash start, this will open like this. Okay, if you type hash start, this will open like this. Then you go to a new bot will be there. To create a bot, you just create a new bot. Then you will get like this. Just go through whatever it is showing. Just give you the name to create a bot. And after creating the bot, you will get a I'll just show you token. You will get a token like this. Okay, this token you need to copy and paste it there in the Wi-Fi credentials. There you are getting no token. Just paste it there. After that, you need to add ID. You need to add ID. You just click here. If you type ID bot, you will get ID here. For each mobiles, there will be different IDs. Okay, only the ID only varies. The token will be same. The token you only generated, token will be standard, and IDs you need to generate different phone numbers. Just copy the IDs and paste there. You can add up to 5 IDs. Just give comma and add ID. Once the Wi-Fi board is on, then you just go to Wi-Fi and search for the Wi-Fi. Then you will get this type IoT relay control. Just click into that. Just type the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. If you type the password, this will connect. The Wi-Fi is connected. So whatever the IoT relay control, just type 192.168.4.1. Okay, then you just click OK. Then this will be open like this. Configuration. Here you need to type Wi-Fi SSID, the Wi-Fi which is available Wi-Fi, that you type the name. Then in Wi-Fi password you type the Wi-Fi password. In bot token, we already told you know there in Telegram you will get some token that you just copy and paste it here. In chart IDs, you can add 5 chart IDs. So this is the first chart ID I am showing now. Just give comma, then next chart ID. I am using 2 IDs now. So like this, you just add up to 5 chart IDs. Just give comma and add another chart ID. Like this, you need to enter and give save. Once it is saved, no, then this will be saved. You will get a saved settings rebooting. Okay, after rebooting, you just you can try with your Telegram. So this is the Wi-Fi switch. So how we are using is by using Telegram app. We are going to control the relays using the commands. First, you need to store your Wi-Fi credentials, Wi-Fi password, and other your chart ID will be available in Telegram. We'll show you how to get the chart ID from your Telegram. Okay, these things you need to store. After that, this will work. So this is start command. If you give, so this will reply you like this. So you will get all the commands. So if you press LED one on one off means so this will do and this will reply you. For example, I will show you all on. All on I've kept. So all the release is getting on. Then you will get a message. So up to 5 numbers you can store. Okay, like that. So all off. So it's absolutely free. You are going to operate through Telegram. You can store up to 5 chart IDs. From 5 mobiles you can store. Messages will be replied to all the mobiles. So in this one we have one option also, pump on. If you use pump on, no, the relay will go on for 5 seconds. That you can use for starter purpose also. The same you will get a replies. Okay.